Tonight, a pretty stunning revelation involving Donald Trump's favorite judge. The New York Times reports that Aileen Cannon rejected pleas from 2 federal judges to step aside from this documents case due to her inexperience. It turns out that they saw the future. Legal scholars, both liberal and conservatives, have criticized her decisions and rulings so far in this case. And now there is a hearing in her courtroom tomorrow that my next guest says could backfire on Judge Cannon. Judge Hazard Cordell, a former California Superior Court judge and author of Her Honor, My Life on the Bench, joins me now. Judge, thank you for joining us. What was your reaction to hearing that these 2 senior judges took the extraordinary step of asking Judge Cannon to step aside?
Well, first, thank you for having me on, Abby. There's a quasi-legal term that came to my mind when I heard about all this, and it's a hot mess. Judge Aileen Cannon has managed to take a straightforward classified documents case and turn it on its head with delay after delay, with bizarre rulings and a bizarre hearing that will take place tomorrow and probably take all day. What is extraordinary about this is that the conversation that the judges had among themselves is now public knowledge, because generally conversations among judges in the courthouse, what's in the courthouse stays in the courthouse. And so we now know, those of us who are thinking, well, she's inexperienced and what is she doing? We now know that her colleagues who are more experienced than she feel the same way. So it is just, to me, appalling, one, that she did not take their advice and transfer the case. And in addition, the building to house the classified documents already existed in another jurisdiction in Florida, in Miami. And so that's another reason they said, the case, just we'll take it there. So she used taxpayer dollars to build this structure to house these classified documents that cost taxpayers. Go ahead.
Talk to us about this hearing tomorrow. I mean, what do you think could happen here? She's set this hearing about the disqualification of special counsel Jack Smith. Could it backfire on her?
Well, the argument that Trump is making is that the appointment of special counsel is unconstitutional. That motion, that argument is ridiculous. And yet she set a hearing. It's going to go all day because she's invited third parties who have opinions about all this to weigh in and file tons of briefs and everything. So the only way this backfires is if she finally makes a decision about something. You see, Jack Smith could appeal it. He could maybe go to the 11th Circuit once the judge makes a ruling. But here's what she's done. I mean, she's basically stopped making decisions. She'll hold a hearing and yet not make decisions. So if you don't have a decision, there's nothing to appeal. So is she inexperienced, or does she know exactly what she's doing? And by the way, if she is removed some way, and I think the 11th Circuit could do that. They could just transfer the case. I think they could, now that this information is out there. She may have accomplished what she wanted to do all along, which is delay this case so that it cannot be heard before the election.
All right. Judge Hazard Cordell, thank you very much. Great to have you on the show.
Sure.